Hello guys, welcome to this episode of CANVA's channel. Standard Chartered Bank. Yes, Standard Chartered Bank is offering cryptocurrency trading to its customers. Guys, I think the mass adoption is coming. It's here. Standard Chartered Bank, the the first global bank, the international bank, Standard Chartered Bank. We all know Standard Chartered Bank. It's all over. Guys, before we dive into that, let me quickly see the crypto bubbles today. What is happening in the market. You can see BTC 0.6%, Ethereum minus 1.8% down. So the market basically is not doing well. We are still in the dip, the bearish trend. As you can see here, BTC 61,128, market cap 1.2 trillion. Volume 24-hour volume trade is 19 billion. Day down 0.5, week down 4.9%, a month 9.9% down, but yearly increase of almost 100%. So guys, Ethereum follows with 0.1% increase now, 1.8 down, weekly 2.8 down, and the monthly 10.1 down. Overall year 76% increase. So guys, only Ton, we all know Ton, the Telegram blockchain, Ton, the open network, is actually resisting the market, doing very well actually. Then USDC stable coin, Doge is down, Link is down, almost all the coin, BNB down, Ripple down. Tron is kind of stable, you can see 2.3%. So guys, let's come to Standard Chartered Bank. Let me take this read on Binance. Standard Chartered Bank establishes Bitcoin and Ethereum trading platform. According to AUDIBLE, insiders have revealed that Standard Chartered Bank is in the process of setting up a trading platform for Bitcoin and Ethereum. This move will position the bank as one of the first global banks to enter the spot cryptocurrency trading platform. Guys, this is the news self that Binance published. Say, it is official. Standard Chartered is taking a major leap into the crypto universe. Imagine one of the world's leading banks with a 160-year history diving headfirst into Bitcoin and Ethereum trading. So the banking behemoth is launching a spot trading desk in London, marking a significant shift into the world of crypto trading. But that's not all. Standard Chartered is working hand in hand with the regulator to support institutional clients in the crypto space. And that is not enough. The bank has already taken stakes in digital asset firm Zodia Custody and the Zodia market. So get ready for a full-blown crypto revolution. Yes, guys, we have been talking about it. It is here. If today America, Trump, who was against Bitcoin as a scam, is now accepting crypto and is calling himself crypto president, and is ready to sack anybody who is against crypto when he becomes president. Guys, you know that we are somewhere, and it's all over. Cryptocurrency is not taking place everywhere. Every country, governments have crypto. All over the world, governments, they have crypto, especially Bitcoin and Ethereum. So guys, that is not all. It's not only Standard Chartered Bank in London. Some other banks, I will show you right now. Some other banks are also in the race. Taiwan's VIDIQ group partners with Digital Bank to launch crypto-friendly bank accounts. Guys, it's obvious. Very soon we'll have our local banks here offering us Bitcoin trading, Ethereum trading, just like you open a dollar account, to make sure that you hedge against CD deflation. So you save some dollar. Same way it will happen. They'll create some Bitcoin account, Ethereum account for you, whereby you get something that you can save. I mean, just quick cash, you can save some money into Bitcoin. And we all know the Bitcoin, how far it has gone. So guys, no doubt that the is here with us. It's close. It's here. We can't sit down pretend today that no cryptocurrencies blockchain is scam again. No, guys. We have to start. We have to start looking into this. And it's not all. It's not only Standard Chartered in London. I know some banks in Brazil. Yeah, some bank in Brazil. Let me get it right now. Some bank in Brazil. Is it Spain? And they also El Salvador. El Salvador has also. El Salvador also have this banking service. I think so. It's somewhere here. Let me show you. Let me show this one. So this one, according to Odeli, Itaú Unibanco, the largest bank in Brazil and Latin America, has expanded its cryptocurrency trading services to all its customers. Previously, the feature was only available to a select group of users. Through the bank's internal investment platform, Ion, customers can now purchase Bitcoin and Ethereum. This move marked a significant step in the bank's effort to embrace digital currencies and provide more diverse investment options to its clientele. So, guys, that is it. You see, they are decided to open up into to open up its cryptocurrency trading service to all users, reflect the growing acceptance of digital currencies in the financial sector, growing acceptance of cryptocurrencies. Guys, it's here. You know, once a global bank like Standard Chartered Bank is now offering crypto trading, guys, very soon the other bank will just follow suit, and it's here. So this is the time, guys, to make sure you have some little just fraction of Bitcoin somewhere, you know. And then this one too, Guarantee BBVA, the Turkish subsidiary of Spain's second largest bank, BBVA, with assets worth $700 billion, has started offering cryptocurrency custody services. The bank announced that Guarantee BBVA digital asset now allows customers to transfer and store BTC, ETH, and USDC assets into its mobile platform, Guarantee BBVA Crypto. Guys, there is nothing. you understand it all. You know, the vice president of Guarantee BBVA stated that the pilot study for this new service has been successful. So, guys, that is not all. Go to El Salvador. Banking, they are just offering this service. In fact, El Salvador is the first country in the world to accept Bitcoin as a legal tender. Go to, I mentioned Brazil, Salvador. Is it Venezuela? Guys, it is here. So this is the sign we should start at least. And just like you get some small dollar and keep somewhere in case of anything, make sure you have some little Bitcoin. Why not? USDC, Ethereum, and then you'll not be put aside, right? So guys, that's what I want to share with you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, subscribe, turn on all notifications so that you don't miss the next release. Thank you for being with me. Keep safe.